until the close. So pretty much take a look at the closing price right as we finish up. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Good afternoon. This is Ifan from the Strategic Day Trader, and this is your market wrap for July 19th, 2022. Just going to start off here. There is a special promotion going on that does bundle the complete package for what we offer with the room, with swing trading, as well as complete education on all the patterns and strategies that we go over. Okay, so there's a link in the description, so you can check that out. It's so that you can put all of it together, go through the education, know exactly what we're talking about, not have to kind of piecemeal it together in real time while the market's moving when we're in the room. So that way when we say, you know, we're playing this breakout, giving you the numbers, you know exactly where they're coming from and why we're doing it. Okay, so that bundle is in the description. All right, so check that out if you think that might be useful to you. Okay, all right, let's go ahead and go over the market here. SPY up 2.8%, Qs up 3.14. We identified the sideways channel and now we are breaking above it. Okay, so what we got to see now is what does the hourly buy setup do, because that's really going to be the next buying opportunity. Now, as bullish as this is, and it is bullish, you know, it's not necessarily the best price or best place to be getting it. You know, we've had, look, here's the hourly, multiple bars up. So on any kind of pullback, I'm expecting it to be a viable opportunity here. Okay, we came into today neutral. We wanted to wait until we broke the channel, and I said probably the easiest scenario is if we move up first, then we'll have this pivot. This will be our line in the sand, and then we know that we're not bearish. So if we stay above that, if we break below this, though, all out bearish. And then if we kind of move up higher, then we'll see how we deal with this resistance. Okay, and today we were able to get through it. Now we are multiple bars up into it. I wouldn't be surprised if we move up maybe even a little bit more tomorrow first thing, but I think the better opportunity will be on a pullback. But we are bullish now on the Qs and SPY. Okay, all right, there's the Qs. SPY, very similar picture there. There's the pivot, and then there's the grind higher that we got today. Pretty bullish. All right, and the Qs and SPY, and rallying back up. All right, so we'll keep an eye out for that hourly pullback, but we are bullish going into tomorrow. All right, let's go over the plays from today. All right, you know, today I thought, especially at the open, there wasn't a lot going on. I remember I played this MVTA, I think, first thing, and then kind of didn't get that much out of it. I think I played it in the morning, and then it got that pop. Then it came back, and we were watching to play it again, and then it broke, and then it popped back up. And then James called it right here, and that really was the play of the day, MVTA. That was really, really nice. Played it as a base breakdown there off the 5, and then also worked great as a scalp. And then if you were trading with me in the afternoon, we also flipped it, but I got out a little bit early. Got out as it hit the 20 MA there. It looked like it was going to flip, but then actually went, you know, another 5 cents after that. So the flip was okay. All right, but really nice play there on the MVTA. Nice grind lower and a great call. All right. I also had a call on the COMM, but it did not work. Here's the COMM. Okay, transitioning, as are a lot of things on the daily, trying to break the downtrend that it's been in. Okay, I liked this kind of void to be played here to the left here. I was hoping we could get at least above $7. I didn't really think we would get all the way to the top, but here was the pattern. So we did break above that red bar, and we were staying pretty bullish here. 2-minute 20 MA caught up, and then played it as we were breaking over the top here on the COMM. So played it like this. So, you know, it broke out, didn't get any follow through after that. And so this ended up failing on the COMM. So took a full loss on the COMM, breakout, no follow through. Didn't really look to play it again. One thing I didn't like about it is that fills were a little bit slow on this for some reason. So, once I knew that about it, it's not something I want to trade. So, yeah, it's fine on the COMM. I don't really love this play. And I was thinking that we would at least get to 7, which we didn't, but that, that was going to be one. If we broke above that, it's going to be target 1. If we started to struggle, I may even tighten it up. But none of that really was an issue because we kind of just broke out and then came right back in. So maybe the only flaw here that I think would be reason not to play it is that, I called it. It wasn't 10:30 yet, but as you know, if you're in the room or if you've done the trading the pristine method, which is included in that deal, we switched to the 5-minute. So I kind of called it before we got to 10:30, and then kind of as 10:30 rolled around and kind of triggered. And at that time, it's kind of in judgment call territory whether or not you want to say, okay, cancel the play. We'll have to wait until the 5-minute looks good or whatever. So that was a little bit tricky on the COMM, but just didn't work. Yeah. All right. So. Yeah, I mean that's gonna happen. Like I said, I think the play's okay. I don't love it, and a little bit on the aggressive side, but yeah, I think overall it's fine. Okay, so very interesting what we got going on in the market. All right, we identified that sideways channel. We're trying to break above it. We'll see what the next hourly pullback looks like, but we are bullish on the Qs and SPY. All right. Hope you did well today. We'll be back at it tomorrow, and I will talk to you then. Have a good evening.